Hello and welcome to my review channel. This is not a review channel, but I do put up a lot of videos, but this time it's a product review. Finally, yes, I'm not buying much. Anyways, this one is quite controversial. Why controversial? There are a bunch of reasons. The first reason, valid reason for being controversial, because it is a $28 face mist. Yes, just a face mist. Oops. This is a TD Teddy. Let me show you how does it look like. So this is a 75 ml product. This costs you $28 without the VAT tax and the shipping, since it's not the store is not in my country, so I have to buy it from USA, and to ship it from there it costs me quite amount of money. So in my country, I think the lowest price I have found 5,200 taka. Yes, that's true. And the most expensive, I think I found in some pages in Facebook, they are selling for 6,700. I just saw today. Anyways, whatever the price they're asking for, I actually bought it probably a month back, and it was shipped to me, and I had to pay something around 5,000 or so. It was something like that. So now the question is, why did I buy so expensive? Okay, so the first point is, I have to mention that nobody's gonna judge me with this, because I use a lot of face mist. I have proof. So let's put it this way. If you have watched my okay, first let me explain. I'll explain later this one. See how many face mist I have. Oh God, it's not standing. Dear Lord. Okay, this is one. This is from Natural. This is only $100. This is very cheap. And see how much I used it. This is very refreshing orangey face mist. My very frequent use one is Plum. This is also very good. This is also very cheap, something around 650 taka. I mean, less than $1. Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn. This is also very refreshing. I lost the cap, but very good spray. My best topmost is this one. This is from Dr. Shetty, isn't it? Yes, Dr. Shetty's Gulab and Glycolic Toner. But this is actually a rose face mist, and this is amazing. I mean, this is actually works like people buy. This is not cheap. First of all, this is not cheap. This is this cost me something around 1,000 taka. I think in India it costs something around 800 something rupee. This is very good. This is a 100 ml bottle, I think. Yes, this is a 100 ml bottle. It's not cheap, but this is not also too expensive, at least not for me, and it goes a long way, and this is very good. I didn't use it too much since for Corona the borders are closed, so I did use quite a bit, but not too much. I'm saving it till I can order some more. This is with aloe, rose, and glycerine and some other stuff, but this is very natural ingredients. That's the best part, and the more best part is it gives a super nice glowing face after you spray. When the product gets soaked in your skin, this gives a super glowing face. Another one, this is mid-range. This is something around, I bought it from I think Thailand, It cost me something around 1200 taka. This is I think everybody has this one, Rose Dewy Glow from Body Shop. This is also very good, but I remember I said for this one it used to burn a bit. When I used to spray, it used to burn a bit. I don't know why. Probably there were some ingredients which was a bit burning, but the glow was real. I already used it up. So I have another one. Probably this was my one of the favorite before Dr. Shetty's one was my favorite. This was from Yves Rocher. I still have the bottle because sometimes I decant this one in this. This is they always bring in the summer a bunch of face mists. This is one of them. This is with the vitamin E, and this is I think grape juice. I think what is it? I can't even plumpish. It's pink grapefruit. Sorry, pink grapefruit, and it was amazing. So hydrating, so good, very long-lasting effect, and amazing. So now I can tell you about why did I buy the Glow recipe, and this is my probably first time and the last time buy of a very expensive. Come on, stand here. Very expensive face mist. Let's not judge first with the price. Let's go with the quality. I showed you all my face mists because so that you don't judge me just for going with the trend, so that you understand that I am a face mist mad person. I buy a lot of face mist. So why did I buy this? Of course, the first time it was a hype, and then I went through a couple of videos, and I do review a lot of unusual products. I do have a lot of unusual products, so I thought, like, why not? And I gave a try. I'm using it for a week, and let me tell you, it does have a very fine mist, very, very fine mist. They used a 84% watermelon juice, blend of watermelon juice, hyaluronic acid, hibiscus AHA to refresh the skin and enhance the makeup. I don't use makeup during Corona. I don't, because I'm wearing face mask. When I'm going to office, I'm wearing face mask for 8 hours, so I don't need a makeup. All I do is put some eyeliner, that's all. And in between the day, like whole 8 hours, I do spray on my face. This one gives exact effect of this one. The only difference is it gives the rosy smell, and that one gives watermelon. Same effect. I won't say this one is cheap. This one is also expensive, because I paid about 1,000 bucks. So this is not cheap. I think I'm not exactly sure, 1,000 or 1,200, something like that. Because it's not only just the rupee conversion, it's also the custom charges it's added. Same goes for this one. Why it's so expensive? Because it works well. What I didn't like about this one, I'm not going to spray because this is expensive stuff. The spray I didn't like. It is not like a very nice flowing spray. It is just straight goes to your face. So if you're spraying from too far, this is gonna be a waste. Don't do that. This is a hell expensive thing for just some water. But it's good. I mean, it does give a nice glowy face, refreshing, hydrating, which can be done with this or very cheap this, or maybe this. This doesn't give a glow, but this is only 100 bucks stuff, but it refreshes crazy. Smell amazing. If you love watermelon, probably it's, you know, every time I spray this on my face, I feel like to have a glass of watermelon slushy. So it is so refreshing. I ordered yes, please don't judge me. I ordered the pulp and also the other, which one is called what do you call it, the name? Okay, I ordered the serum, the vitamin C serum. I want to see that, so I ordered the serum and the new serum, the pulp serum, serum vitamin C, the pineapple serum, and the plum pulp serum as well, both, because that is for the what do you call it, the, I think, the moisture serum. And also I bought another the moisturizer, the watermelon moisturizer they're selling, which is for, I think, let me check how much is that. That is $34. That is also super expensive. I think that is 70 ml bottle, and the serum is 30 ml pineapple one, and the new serum is with the plum. Let me check the price. Yes, the plum hyaluronic serum this will cost $42. So if you want to buy both, like I bought both, and they're giving a nice value price. That is it's supposed to be $91, but I bought it for $82, and I want to try it. This will reach my hand after maybe a month. Yeah, because I live in Asia. And why did I buy this? Because winter is coming. I do use a lot of serum in winter. I usually buy the Body Shop 9 oil serums, Body Shop oils. I do have that at home this time. I have the half of the bottle, but I don't have the serum, so I thought like this will be a very good idea to buy this one, because my country is not that cold. It's just a little bit of cooler weather, and the only cold time is in the January, probably for a week or 15 days, something like that. So I think good enough for that. Sorry, I didn't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to show it's expensive product, and if it's worth buying, maybe. If you're not in a budget, maybe. So yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you.